Alex is swimming in his relay. He's up first.
Yeah. Yes, Jordan. I'm going to start by the baby seat line.
Oh, there he goes.
So you need to tell them it's going to be training. You got to know.
Go, Alex! Look at him streamlining. Go, dude, go! He's gonna wet my camera. Go, go, go! Wow, look at that lead. Go, Alex, go! I don't know who just dove in. Is this Caroline Baker? I don't know. Go! I think it's Caroline Baker. Go! Oh. Go, go, go! They're for him first over there. Go, Catherine! Go, go, go!
Oh, Cat!
Oh, whoa. That's a girl and a guy in the lead.
So he's still on the third leg. Is that an 11-year-old girl? I thought it was an 11-year-old in the 16 and under.
We lost. Go! Swim. Okay.
Just a reminder, folks, as you're packing things up here, please take a look around.
Okay, bye.
Give us a hand.